Hello everybody, today I'm going to be showing you how to install WinRar. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to WinRar.com. I'll have a link for this in the description, like always. And depending if you have a 32-bit or a 64-bit, and depending what language you have, and you gotta go to the downloads, and depending on what language and bit you have, choose one of these. Me, I have a 64-bit and I'm English, obviously. So I hit that, and I go to continue to download WinRar. I go there, and you hit save file, wait for it to load. I'll speed this part up. Well, actually not, because it's really close. Then you click that, hit yes. You go through install, jar all of these. Okay, done. And then you have WinRar downloaded. I hope that helped you guys. I'll see you later. Bye.